Hi friends, now we have HP laptop. In the laptop, now we are going to install Windows 11. Now I will show you how to install the Windows 11 in HP laptop. First I will switch on the laptop and then keep press the F9 button to select boot device. Now need to select your HP. This is my HP USB flash drive, Windows 11 bootable. Now need to select the HP USB flash drive. Press enter. Now it will start installing Windows 11. Wait for few seconds. My laptop is a little bit slow. In the window, click the next option to select the installation start. Now select the install now option and then select I accept the agreement. Click next and then select custom option. Now you need to select your Windows drive, means where the Windows was installed previously. It was the C drive. Now I select my C drive here. Drive 0 partition 3 Windows is there. Na? This is my C drive. What are the files is there in this drive? After the formatting, all files will be deleted. Before formatting this, what are the files is there in your system, you take the backup. Otherwise, all the files will be deleted. Select this drive and then click format. This partition might contain important files or applications from your computer manufacturer. If you format this partition, any data stored on it will be lost. Then click OK. Then click the next. Now it will start installing Windows 11. Okay. Thank you. Now it is installing features and then installing updates, then finishing up. After this, PC will be restart. After the restart, again it will start installing. Select select enter. Then select your country. Mine is India. Click yes, and then select the keyboard LED.